Hello, stars. Welcome back to Run With Me 23. I am Mandy, and we are going to have a love read. I hope everybody has been doing well. We're going to start with What's the Tea? Before we start, though, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow, keeps me inspired. If you're looking to get a read by me, my email is in the description there. And please, let's remember that we are all adults here. Take what resonates with your story, apply it where it needs to be applied in your story, and leave the rest for the other stars. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. What kind of messages do we have this evening? What's the tea for my stars? Cyberbully. You are being bullied online, or you have suffered from it, etc. You may or may not know this. Okay. See what else we got. So somebody's definitely jealous. This person looks jealous. Creeping. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Like I said, you may or may not know about it. And this person kind of looks jealous to me. I don't know how well you can see that person's face. So, you might have an inkling that somebody's behind this, or you may not even know, like I said. Maybe your ancestors are protect. Ooh, somebody with bad habits. It flew out of there. Bad habits, addictions, toxicities, whatever it might be. Any kind of addictions or toxicities it could be. So bad habits. Okay. Wow. All right. Well, let's see what Kipper has to say. I mean, somebody could be like getting stoned, getting online, creeping, watching you, maybe you have something online and they are trolling it even, this could be trolls as well, the keyboard warriors, some Karen, who knows. But they're creeping. I mean, somebody with bad habits, to me, look, it looks like a window peeker to me. Somebody at home, paranoid. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's see. That's the one. Hit me in the face. Somebody who is false. Look, this person's got a mask. She's hiding what part of her face? Again. Look at that. Stars, you got somebody watching you. If this was tarot, it'd definitely be like the Page of Swords or something like, all in the. Ooh. Official person also came out. Is somebody catching up with this? And change. Does this false person want to come out of the dark into the light and make the change? So this could be somebody who's realized that they've been doing shady stuff. Or somebody's caught up with them and there's fixing to be a change that this is going to stop. Okay, let's move on to tarot and see what tarot has to say. Three cards for the overall influence of my stars' love life right now. Stars, whoever is on your mind, that's who we're pulling for. Nine of Cups. Two more cards for the overall energy influencing my stars' love life right now. Ten of Swords. And Ten of Wands. Wow. Somebody who now is emotionally fulfilled after this heartbreak, this hopelessness, and these burdens and responsibilities that they had. They were frustrated with life and everything, have found happiness. Almost like this person over here creeping as well ended up with this. Didn't I say, is somebody turning the page? If they changed? Are they, you know, looking to make a better life for themselves? Because we have this person right here who is, solid in their self and their emotions. They're one person here, right? They are happy. They're open. They're high-minded. They're optimistic. Even after this being betrayed, and all these burdens in their life, whatever it might be. Okay. Let's see. Okay, stars, the person on your mind, how are they feeling? They're feeling like the Five of Cups in reversed. They have hope now. They have recovered, and they're creating new alliances. They're looking for forgiveness. Stars, I feel like this is talking about somebody who's been in your life. Somebody who's been in your life in the past. Looks like they have turned around, changed things around. Let's see what kind of intentions this person is or has. The Devil. This talks about being powerless. Maybe this person feels powerless. Maybe the materialism of the world, and makes them feel like they're chained to certain things. They don't feel completely free. This fell in their intentions. Like they feel obsessed. Is it with you? They are looking for harmony and alignment, though. So, I mean, with recovering of the Five of Cups in reverse with hope, maybe they just haven't completely broke the chains, or They're looking more into their shadow self. Okay. So you're only limited by what you believe is possible, basically, is what this says. So this person, his intentions are to break these chains of this bondage of how they've been in the past. They have hope. They're intending on or not. They are in feeling recover, like they're going to recover. They're feeling hope. They've got hope. And their intentions are breaking these chains of powerlessness, of this bondage, like of that they felt so limited, you know. Let's see what kind of actions. So this is what's going on with this person. What are they going to do? Six of Wands in reverse. They're they're apprehensive. They kind of got a little bit of doubt, a little fearful of what's to come. They might be moving slowly. But regardless, their mindset is in the right spot. I mean, whatever this is, they're wanting to kick it. Okay, they're wanting to, they're definitely wanting to break these chains. They no longer want to feel like they're bound by this bad habits and living in the shadows and you know feeling burdened and living behind masks. They want to turn over a new leaf, live a brighter, better life. They have some sort of hope in them, for sure. How do you feel about this person, stars? How do my stars feel about this person? How are they feeling? Six of Pentacles in reverse. Ooh, you feel like this was unfair, that there was an injustice in this relationship with this person, and maybe this person left you in debt. Maybe you thought they were selfish. Maybe you just feel like it's not going to work. This wouldn't. Maybe you feel like this person isn't going to have success. Oh, but you definitely feel like this was unfair and that there was some injustice in this relationship with this person. Let's see what kind of challenges we have. Oh man, King of Swords in reverse is the challenge. This guy is malicious, okay? Harsh and ruthless, manipulation. So you don't, there's lots of challenges here. You think this person's definitely plotting. Maybe you feel like this person is putting on an act that they want to be this recovered person, that this person has hope of breaking these bondages, these chains of addictions and toxicities and creeping and being this false person. Maybe you feel like it's just a bunch of baloney that they're trying to manipulate you back into something or to get something from you. Potential outcome is the Five of Swords. Selfishness again. This is not good. I was trying to put a positive spin on this as the cards were coming out, but now with the challenges, the outcomes, and stuff, I really feel like this is somebody who is doing these things, have done these things, continues to do these things, and are trying to portray that they're this official person that has, you know, is seen well in the light, that they have changed, or maybe they want you to see that they have changed and that there's this hope that, you know, that they have, are no longer you know, no longer materialistic or, you know, just not nice. Because this is the potential outcome. And this talks about, you know, sometimes victory is not worth the price you got to pay. And it talks about conflict and aggression and arguments. And it talks about anxiety and self sabotage and selfishness again, which I've seen 2 or 3 different times here. So the challenge and potential outcome, that's what makes me think that this is somebody. It's like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Yes. Let's see what kind of advice we have for you, stars. 3 of Pentacles falls in your advice. So you're being called to be creative and to reach out for help when you need it with this person, or what to do about this person. So you're going to need cooperation from maybe friends or family to overcome this, or whatever it might be. Okay? Because there has been realizations here of what is going on. It's almost like you have figured out what is going on. Maybe there was hope that things would turn around, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like now this is manipulation. This person really has not changed. It's a facade. Yeah. Ooh, well, that's what I have for you, stars. Wow. Okay. Let's pull some letter tiles. Let's see if we can spell some words. Maybe letters might be initials that resonate with you. We got P, C, Y, G, and R. Got the word cry. I also got the word pry. Maybe somebody's prying into your business. And gripe. Okay. Again, the letters we got is P, R, C, G, and Y. Let's see what kind of trinkets we get. Worried owl fell out right in my hand. This is a little woman worried owl. Has a dress on. And it looks as if she's smiling. I feel like this particular worried owl is telling you that your worries are over. The universe is with you. And you don't have to settle for bones anymore. Ooh, okay. Stars. Let's pull a fortune card. So this will be the last card I pull. And I'm going to pull it just for you. Maybe something to think about, a little inspiration, but some positivity. I hope. Here, yes, hope. We got hope, positivity. But a card just for you, stars. A card just for my stars. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button. It is also free to subscribe, so hit the subscribe down there and you'll know when I put out new videos. There are also ways in the description that you can support the channel, pay it forward, send blessings, packages of happiness. All right. Card for my stars. Take it. Ooh, snake. Your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path. Just be careful. Absolutely. There you go, stars. I hope you have a good evening, and until next time, bye.